What's up, gang? Today I'm going to show you how to install some RAM and an SRX card into your Roland MC-909. Here we go. Okay, so today we're going to install some new RAM. We have PC133 256 megabyte SD RAM, and then we're also going to be installing the Supreme Dance SRX upgrade card. This comes with the card. It also comes with instructions, and it also comes with a little screwdriver and a tiny little key to help insert the card. This is super easy. Anybody can do it. Okay, so we're going to start by turning this over. You want to make sure that you have something soft to lay this down on, because you have to put it face down. And then we'll use the provided screwdriver to remove the back panel. Okay, so now we have the panel off, and this is the back of the machine here. This is our header for the RAM, and we're just going to take our RAM board, and you'll see that it can only go in one way. There are little indents here which will only allow the RAM to go in one way. So the way to do that is to make sure that these little tabs are back. Then you're going to want to sit this right in the middle there, and you're going to apply some pressure until that snaps in. And you want to make sure that those tabs are locked in place. Okay, so next up we're going to do the Supreme Dance card, the SRX 05. We're going to put this here. It goes right here. You'll see the header for it, and it lines up with the connector on the back of the card. And you'll see that there's also a hole on the bottom left of the card here. So there's only one way to put this in, and when you set it in this way, the little hole should be on the bottom right, and that header should be on the left side. You're going to use the included key to twist that, to push that down over the little pin. So that hole should line up with the little tab, and make sure that that is lined up properly. Then we can go ahead and replace the back panel, screw this back together, and then we'll boot it up. Okay, so we're going to boot this up. This is going to be a real-time boot. You can see that I have no card installed here, so there's nothing to load off of it. And we just installed 256 megs of RAM. Okay, so first we go to Menu, System, and then at the bottom you'll see there's System Info is the last one. Then we'll go to Memory Info, and you can see here that it says 271 megabytes. So yeah, this comes with 16 megabytes built in. We just installed 256, so now we're at 271. Our user has 13 megabytes, and there's no card installed. The next one here is SRX Info. And you can see it's got a picture of it and everything, and it says SRX installed. And then the other thing on this screen is the version number, which is 123. And we'll go ahead and close that. Alright, so that's how the RAM and the SRX cards fit up in there. Next time we're going to go over the card reader slot on the front panel, and I'm going to show you some tricks on that thing, how to upgrade that to hold more than it's supposed to. Don't forget to subscribe, give me some likes, hit me up with some comments if you like. Until next time, peace.